In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Rollup Field. If you want to summarize information from related records in Airtable without manually calculating anything, the Rollup Field is one of the most useful tools you can learn. It helps you pull values from linked records and then combine or calculate them automatically, which is great for totals, counts, or even combining text from multiple records into one place. To get started, open your Airtable base and go to the table where you want the summary to appear. This is the table where the rollup field will live, so make sure you're in the correct place before creating anything new. Next, confirm that this table is connected to another table using a linked record field. This part is essential because a rollup only works when Airtable can look through a relationship between tables. If your records are not linked yet, the rollup field won't have any source data to work with. Once that connection is in place, add a new field in your table and choose rollup as the field type. This tells Airtable that instead of storing regular text or numbers, this field will calculate something based on linked records. After that, choose the source field. In this case, the source field is the linked record field that connects your current table to another one. Airtable will use that link to know where it should pull the related data from. Then choose the value field. This is the specific field from the linked table that you want to summarize. For example, it could be a number field for prices, a status field for counting entries, or a text field if you want to combine values together. Choosing the correct field here is important because it determines what Airtable will actually calculate. Now enter the formula you want Airtable to use. Common examples include sum values to add numbers together, count all values to count all related entries, or array join values to combine multiple values into a single line of text. The formula you choose depends on the type of result you want, so think about whether you need a total, a count, or a combined list. Finally, review the result in your new rollup field. Check a few records and make sure Airtable is calculating the correct output based on the linked data. If something looks off, it's usually worth double checking the linked record field, the value field you selected, and the formula being used. Once everything looks correct, your rollup field is ready to use and will continue updating automatically as your linked records change.